Hey, what's up, Moline High School? It is April 3rd, 2024. I am Miss Borman, and today your SEL lesson is going to be on the college and career readiness, and we're going to use Xello to do that. Okay, so CCRI. A little reminder of us talking about this from back in November. CCRI stands for College and Career Readiness Indicators, and this was started by the Illinois State Board of Education. They established the Illinois Support and Accountability System, and the CCRI is part of multiple measures of how well high school serves its students. The state of Illinois has the goal of 90% or more of students graduating from high school ready for college and career by the year 2032. And we are doing that by focusing on careers that you might be interested in. So the college and career readiness indicators we focus on for freshman and sophomore year are identifying the careers. We have an incentive going on this time. Every student who completes this task in Xello by April 10th will have their name put into a drawing for a $25 gift card. We're going to choose one per grade level. And we're going to do that on April 11th, and we'll announce the winners on Friday, April 12th in the announcements. So again, every student who puts their name in, we're going to put it into a drawing, and we're going to draw by grade level. Okay, so let's get into Xello and remind you what you need to do. So I'm going to exit out here in a minute, but I like to use the screen to remind you of what the waffle looks like, because that's how you're going to log into Xello. You're going to open up a new tab on the internet, and you're going to click on the waffle. Now I have to get out of my, Google Slides, and I have to get onto my dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my webcam so you guys don't have to look at me. You can just focus on the screen. So when you go to, again, a new tab and go to the waffle, you're going to find Xello like scrolled all the way down. And remember that Xello is with an X. So you're going to get automatically logged in, and Xello has changed a little bit if you haven't been on it recently. Looks a little bit different on here, but it still has all the same features. So instead of it being a big, hey, Reagan right up here, it's a little bit smaller over here. There's all different kinds of stuff in the middle. You can actually scroll through, and it almost looks like a social media platform, honestly, where it's going to have posts about different types of jobs that you could scroll through and look at. So the links that you're going to focus on are going to be over here. You guys need to get the matchmaker done. If you haven't already done the matchmaker, as you can see mine, it shows that I haven't finished it. The first thing you're going to do is click on the matchmaker, and you're going to answer the questions. So one thing I want to point out for those of you, again, who have not done your matchmaker yet, you have 39 questions to answer, and this is an interest inventory. So it's all about what you like. This is nothing about your skills, nothing about what you're good at, nothing about that. It's all about what you like. So one of the questions here, how do you feel about working outside in any weather? If you're not sure what the question means, you can click on the question mark and it will explain it. This means you are ready to work outside even when the weather is cold, wet, or very hot. I'm going to be really honest. I would dislike that very much. I would much prefer to work indoors. Then there's the question, learning about and using history. This means studying objects and or written material in order to understand the past. So there's some examples there. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not a big, huge history buff, but some of you may be really into it. So, okay, we're going to hit done to quit doing that. Then when you're all done, you're going to go to, it's going to show you all the careers that might be interesting to you. And if you've already done your matchmaker, you can click on Explore and go to Careers. So these are the careers where you're going to save them. I don't have a lot showing now because I haven't finished my matchmaker. I have all the careers showing, but I don't have any specific to me just yet. But I can look through all of the careers. You can change the minimum salary. Let's say you want to make a minimum of $63,000 a year. all the way up to more than 6 figures. You could do it like that, or you could just keep it like this. It's going to show you all of the careers. For education, you can click high school, 2-year college, or a 4-year college, or you could uncheck. Maybe you definitely want to go to college, whatever you want to do. But you're going to start searching through the careers. The one that I always kind of end up going to is an accountant. So when you're looking at this, if you like this career after looking through it, right here is the heart. This is what we're looking for. You need to see how it would look like this if I didn't have it saved. And when I click on the heart, I just saved it. That means that I'm interested in this career. Then you can go through and look at it. Remember that all these careers are really cool. It gives you all kinds of a job description. It tells you how in demand it is. There's even interviews from people who have work in the field. It tells you what your core tasks are, what the workplace looks like, your working conditions. I mean, we could sit here and go through all of the cool things that are in Xello. Tells you how much you can earn. There is even a chart that shows you what your salaries could be, and you could change the state. So in Illinois, you could make up to 6 figures for an experienced accountant. If you wanted to move to California, they pay a little bit higher. So that is how the careers work. Okay. If you get all done saving your 3 careers and you still have some time left, you can go back to the home, and there are other activities that you could do. You could do your personality style, your learning style, the skills lab. There's all different kinds of things that you can do on Xello if you want to learn some more. You can also go back into the Explore and look at different universities and different majors within universities. So just a few things to get you started going through here. So again, going back to this screen, I'm going to show you the screen again. Identify 3 careers you might be interested in. Get this done by April 10th, and your name is going to go into a drawing for a $25 gift card, choosing one per grade level. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Good luck working on that, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.